So chapters 25 and 26, they're pretty short as well. As always, you can click here and then click the attachment in order to read. And then if you like having an audio book read to you, you can always click here and then click the link and it will take you to chapter 25, but it should be on a playlist that automatically rolls into chapter 26. Our questions today kind of follow the opposite format than we've been doing. We've been doing a couple one-sentence responses and then a deeper thinking. Today, we are going to go over starting with the deeper thinking question and then just two one-sentence responses. So you want to make sure you read first. If you are not with us on chapter 25 and 26, let's say you missed yesterday. No big deal. It was a snow day, but we still had remote work. So if you didn't know that or if you didn't get to it because you're out having fun in the snow, shout out to you. You just want to go back to the Monday button instead of being on this Tuesday button. So if we should not be here, that's a-okay. You just want to go back to Monday and finish that work or wherever you left off. So the first question, we want to talk about Mr. Solway and how he's going to react to his medal being found and returned to him. But we want to think about how he would react and then why he would react that way based off his character traits. So whenever we did character traits, we were labeling characters not just as good or bad, but as responsive or thoughtful, all those words that we worked on. You're going to think of those words and add them in here. And so you're going to first answer how you think he'll react, and then tell me why you think he'll react that way. So that should be about a 2 to 3 sentence, well-developed response. And then questions 2 and 3 are just one sentence, write in a complete sentence. Make sure it is applicable to what we're reading. If we're not reading about aliens, don't have aliens come into the answer kind of thing. And that is all for our questions. Our second thing we're doing today is working on the story mountain. And if you pull it up like this, or especially if it's smaller on your screen, you're going to be like, this lady thinks I have super eyesight and I cannot read this. So we go to View, Zoom 100% will help us out. And so there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. And I love you guys, but I felt like this was just T9C. Like there's no way you have room to write. So ignore this section. And then you can type your answers here in the text box that I already labeled for you. And it's just working on like a plot mountain. You've worked on these since elementary school. We should know what they are. But then it gives you really specific questions with each part of the plot mountain instead of just like leaving you to label it, not knowing what's going on. So first, who's the main character? What's the setting? That is question 1. So we would say that in a complete sentence. Yeah, guys.
I already finished that assignment, but I did those little boxes. I wrote little stuff, and then on the complete sentences when I just made it into complete sentence.
Oh, I'm not stressed about that at all. In fact, that sounds like you using your resources and earning extra credit is what it sounds like to me. And then who said it wouldn't let them open it? Why is that? Where are we at?
I couldn't hear you for like the first part of it.
Oh, sorry, friend. I will have this video recorded and posted, so we will get that to you. So yeah, just answer those 5 questions. Somebody in my earlier class had a big question on question number 2. So like, what does your character want? And that just means we're talking about Chase. Like in Chase's life, what does he want more than anything else, especially towards the beginning of the story? And then what are the struggles or roadblocks of getting what he wants? So don't let these questions trip you up or make you feel like you're not smart enough. You totally are. Sometimes the wording just gets a little tricky.
Chase, can I please have Genevieve ready to go? She's on her way.
All right, friends, so let's see. Let's end this. Whenever you're done, if you're in my language arts class, just spend the rest of the time that you would be working. If you're done early, doing vocab.com. We have that test later this week, and I just want to be super respectful of your time and make sure that you're getting enough time to study.